students, as you know, we are doing lesson number 10, transport and communication. Last week we had discussed various means of communication like postal services, telephone, television, radio, newspaper, isn't it? I hope children you have all watched the videos which were uploaded last week. They discussed about how these different means of communication or mass communication, as also it is said, they communicate with a large number of people and cater to the needs of the people. Like we need to communicate, and this is a developing age, we are developing fast, we need to send information or to receive information, we need these services, especially postal services maybe, or maybe telephone, radio or television and newspaper. Children, today we are going to talk about another means of communication, that is fax. Now children, you must have seen fax machine in our school, which you have seen in Principal Sir's office. I hope you have seen it, but actually nowadays fax machine is not in so much of use. People use more email and internet services than fax. As you can see, I will show you some pictures of fax machine. Have a look. You have seen that this is a machine which is connected to a telephone line. It is very important that if you are using fax machine or operating fax machine, you need to have telephone connection, not your mobile connection but your landline phone. So that's why I told you that this machine is not so popular nowadays. People opt for internet, email and other services. Okay, so this is your machine and it is connected actually through telephone with the person you want to send the information. Now how the information is sent? By you get the paper, you get the information in print, as well as if you are sending some images or photographs, that also is printed and coming. Like you see in Xerox machine, you give the command and they print the letters or the pictures. Okay, so in this way, like I want to send some information to you, or I want to send some papers to you, important papers to you, or some pictures or images to you. So I have to use this machine and with the telephone connection, and it should be connected to you, means you should also have the telephone service. And in this way you can see it looks like a landline telephone. By connecting it, of course it is connected through internet, and then you have to send the image and or the print whatever you are sending, and the person whom I am sending will get the information within seconds. Now children, this is a very fast way of sending messages or images or information or any printed paper, because in this way we can send the print very fast, but the phone connection is very important. So a fax is a written document, can be sent, any written document. Document means, as I told you, any information or images can be sent to a fax machine. The fax machine is connected to a telephone line. That is very important. Without telephone line you cannot have fax machine. It takes only a few seconds to reach to the person to be communicated. Like I told you, I want to send some document to you, you will receive within seconds, because through telephone line I will send it and you will get the page. This way the document comes out from the fax machine. Another picture I want to show you. As you can see, it's connected with the telephone line, and you have to the person whom you are sending the document also must have telephone connection, and in this way the document. It can be any printed material in like it can be images also, anything you can send, like it will come in a printed form, the information will come to in a printed form. Okay, so this is all about another means of communication, that is fax machine. Thank you.